No, I'm not. But like, there's 166 TDs over there, and I don't think there's one of them that ever refused a line of publicity, and that's a fact. But in the course of the work that all of us do in the Public Accounts Committee, and I as chairman, it attracts a certain level of public interest and a certain level of interest from the general media. And I just perform in that capacity as chairman in the way that I would do any other job. I do it to the best of my ability. If that attracts publicity, and if other people want to deem it as chasing ambulances or whatever they might say, well then so be it. I've no real interest in that. My interest in the job that I do.
So you're not an ambulance shouter?
No, I'm not. I don't think any other member of the Public Accounts Committee is either. And I think that those that are accusing of us that, we're better off giving the attention to their own jobs. In fact, if they were chasing ambulances on the Health Committee, they might get a lot of answers.
Okay.